learn is this major races that are part of this habit. Part of what would habit? Okay. Okay, habit. So Sunday was 6 Boston, which everybody knows, the Boston Marathon, New York, Chicago. Female season, we did this great big event, and at the time there was only 5,000 pretty big deal. Yeah, pretty big deal. So I was like, oh. So I started going in Chicago, New York, Berlin, first race back.
Triad Tilt customers, the meeting is starting right now. Please head into the conference room and select your attend. Thank you very much.
Yeah, and then so we meet. So the wife and I would make it. I would do a race. She would sleep.
Women are very practical that way.
And, yeah, it was just helping fellas and training. So there was bunches. That's all we're. And then it being fairly the only race I haven't finished, and the only one I haven't.
Oh yeah, we have to see here. Is that an invitational?
You're certain qualified.